Here's a little bit of news about that OnePlus 9 launch that's upcoming very soon. Coming up very soon. What are we talking about? A few days from now. Mm-hmm. Rumor of 4 new devices. OnePlus 9 Pro, 9R, OnePlus Watch, March 8th. I don't know. We're going to have something. We got to put together some content ourselves on Unbox Therapy. The news here today, it's starting to look like, and this comes via Evan Blass. You know him as the leaker. Mm-hmm. What's his actually? Ev Leaks.
Yep.
He's one of the original leakers, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, I've known him for a while. Anyway, this latest information revealed that the OnePlus 9 series will go on pre-order on March 23rd. So event March 8th, pre-order March 23rd, and early buyers are going to be able to claim a free pair of OnePlus Buds Z true wireless earbuds. So they're trying to incentivize those that act quickly, give you a free pair of buds. I think Samsung's done stuff like this. I think OnePlus actually did something like this.
Yeah, for like $1 or something?
Previous model, yeah. I think actually that was a separate promo, but
was it?
Either way, yeah, they've done promos like this, trying to put their headphones in your pocket. So it's just a little extra incentive here. We'll have to wait and see the official stuff, but a quick recap on specs. Snapdragon 888 all around Pro model, except for the 9R. Pro model, regular model, the R is said to feature previous generation, either 865 or 870, something. They don't know yet. But anyway, we'll find out very shortly, and you might catch some free earbuds.